Hi, this is Satyanarayan here. Today let us discuss about time division multiplexer. Time division multiplexing of two band limited signals. Let us see the concept of the TDM. There is an animation here and see that in each time interval there is one data is drawn for one cycle. Can you see that? A, B, C, D for two different cycles it is shown. I think you have understand this TDM technique by using this simple example. Let us see the definition of the TDM. Time division multiplexing is a independent signals over a common signal path by means of synchronized switches at each end of the transmission. Let us implement this practically. Circuit diagram. So here there are two parts are here, two transistor combination and one adder. This is the actual circuit diagram which prototype assembled according to it. Use this technique to get the output at one shot. There is no failure in the outputs. So very simple techniques. Now we are going to set two different signals. One signal 1, a sine wave of 200 Hz, 1 volt peak to peak, and the second signal is also a sine wave, and it is we consider here as a sine wave 100 Hz, 2 volts peak to peak. There is no rule that you have to give only sine wave. You can give different types of waveforms, and a switching signal of 2 kilohertz and 5 volts peak to peak we have to give here. And the simple connections, see the output here. So this is TDM. This is a TDM output, and two input signals are sine wave. This is when two input signals triangle and square waveform. This is TDM when sine and triangle as an input. Let us see the demultiplexing. At the end we have to retrieve the two signals we applied in the modulation. See the animation here. We have to retrieve that. I hope you understand the concept of the demultiplexing by this animation, and let us get into that experiment, demodulation or demux. Let us see practical implementation. It is demux, sometimes it is called as a demux or demodulation. It is almost same. See the circuit diagram. So here it is the circuit where at the RC filter is there at the two edges where we can get it back the message signals. So this is the circuit prototype signals I assembled on the breadboard, and see this part is an RC filters where we will get the output. There are two transistors in the demux section also. One is SL100 and an SK100, and the switching circuit should synchronize so that the input switching square waveform fed to the demodulated output, and see that the demux output on the top of the CRO, and we have displayed here two modulating signals, signal 1 and 2, and it is demodulated output. Let us see some applications of TDM. It is mainly used in telephone lines, and second one, it is deployed in PSTN system, and is also component of a telephone system. It is a very popular TDM systems we are using, actually found in telephone wire lines. Thank you for watching video.